In this video you will learn how to install the Dolmen Platform development environment. You will need installed PostgreSQL version 9.6 and the Dolmen Platform distribution zip files, documentation, graphical user interface, IDEA Community Edition, Dolmen Server, Software Development Kit. Unpack the contents of all distribution files to the same folder, Dolmen Home. Place it in C Dolmen Home. Create the workspace for your projects, local Dolmen server and the web server. Place it in C Dolmen Workspace. To do that, open the command prompt window and change directory to C Dolmen. Run batch file dolmen home rt dolmen bat with arguments workspace bundle install dev. The workspace has been created. Set password for the Dolmen server administrator. To do that, in the command prompt window, change directory to workspace. Run batch file configure bat with arguments set password dolmen password. Configure the Dolmen server database credentials. Set database server superuser password, connection string, and schema name in the Dolmen server configuration files. Workspace web server web apps dolmen server.conf and securestore.dat. Run your local Dolmen server. Batch file web server instance bat. Open server web interface. It runs on port 9080. Web interface path is Dolmen site. Choose your language. To log in, use username admin and password you set up during workspace configuration. Install modules and register server in the database. Go to Maintenance Administration, Server and Modules, Server Control. Click on Install All. Click on Register. Reload browser page. Set request status to Run. Reload browser page. Now you have completed the Dolmen Platform development environment installation. Thank you for watching.